We're going to give you a rundown of the most romantic wedding venues in the UK. Wherever you have your wedding, we can guarantee it'll be one of the most romantic days of your life. But if you're really looking for a venue that will make you feel like you're in a movie, here are some of our favourites. From secret gardens and boat trips to drawbridges and lakeside forests, these venues really have it all. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to make sure you don't miss out on more wedding tips and tricks from us here at Bridebook HQ. Now let's kick off with our first venue. First up, we have Hedingham Castle in Essex. Set among 160 acres of stunning formal gardens and fairy tale forests, this beautifully restored 900-year-old Norman keep is an incredible place to celebrate your wedding. Tying the knot in a real-life castle is a surefire way to add a little romance and feel like royalty on your big day. One thing we have to mention when we talk about Hedingham Castle is its gorgeous grounds. If you're looking for a truly romantic venue, one thing we'd suggest is looking for a lakeside venue. This feature always adds a touch of fantasy and makes for wedding photos with a real wow factor. The next beautiful venue we've chosen is Island Hall in Cambridgeshire, a Grade 2 listed mansion set on the Great River Ouse. For us, it's Island Hall's grounds that make it one of the most romantic venues out there. This picture-perfect venue boasts incredible interiors, stunning secret gardens, and even a fairy tale bridge over the river. It's this whimsical fairy tale feel that adds an extra touch of romance to celebrations at this gorgeous venue. For a similar feel, look for venues with something hidden away, bringing a feeling of seclusion and privacy to your celebrations. Number 3 on our list is Hever Castle and Gardens in Kent. On top of being an absolutely stunning setting for any wedding, this venue has a historical twist. The 13th century estate was once the childhood home of Anne Boleyn. Couples can choose from 3 locations on the Hever Castle estate: the castle itself, the lakeside Italian garden, or the Astor Wing. Surrounded by not 1 but 2 moats, you and up to 180 of your loved ones will feel like you've fallen into a fairy tale as you walk across the drawbridge into this incredible Tudor castle. It's these little features straight out of a Disney movie that can make a venue feel extra romantic. Another one of our favourite venues is Plas Nanteos, or Nanteos Mansion, a gorgeous country house located just outside Aberystwyth in Wales. Hidden away in the beautiful Welsh countryside, this 300-year-old Georgian mansion is an incredibly romantic place to say "I do." Many couples choose to hold their ceremony in the stunning music room, with its fairy tale columns, mirrored walls, and amazingly ornate ceiling. Plus, Nanteos shows how light, airy spaces and colour palettes can create an ethereal atmosphere and a dreamy aesthetic. Our 5th and final venue is Browsholme Hall and Tithe Barn in Lancashire. Set in the heart of the Forest of Bowland, it's truly a magical place to tie the knot with the love of your life. For indoor ceremonies, we love the Tithe Barn, a rustic, intimate venue with exposed stone walls and twinkling fairy lights. Whatever style of venue you choose, you'll want to think about lighting if you're looking to up the romance. More is always more when it comes to fairy lights, and we love the way Browsholme Hall uses them here. If you can, we'd also recommend flickering candlelight as a way to create a cosy, romantic atmosphere. So there you have it, 5 of the most romantic wedding venues in the UK. Check out the description for more information on the venues featured in this video. Or for even more, why not download the Bridebook app? Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and let us know in the comments how you'd make your wedding venue extra romantic. Now after all that, I think I'm off to watch Bridgerton. Or maybe Beauty and the Beast.